Alright guys, so yesterday you saw me apply the SafeGuard H20 to the area around here. I took the plastic off. I still have the tape on. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off. I got a big bucket of water here. And I'm going to throw that on here. We're going to see how well it does. And again, it's the SafeGuard H20. It's for the concrete. And we're going to see how well it repels. Again, I'm going to go ahead and take that the blue tape off right now. Don't want anything hindering this. We got, you saw my watch yesterday. It was about 3:40. We're like darn near close to 24 hours later. Should have had plenty of time to cure. And here's truth be known, right here. Let's check this out. Oh my gosh. So you just see it beating off the surface. I mean, it as water rolls down it, it's just beating off. It won't even stay on there. So we have color. We've got beads. It's just water's migrating to the drain. There's it's obvious that the SafeGuard H20 is going to be a great addition to concrete maintenance and protection. And there it is. Proof's in the pudding. Check it out.